Hello, and thank you for listening and learning from my data analysis for Soap Creek Elementary School. My name is Becky Gonzales. Let me introduce you to Soap Creek Elementary School. It's located in Cobb County on Paper Mill Road in Marietta, Georgia. We serve approximately 1,043 students in kindergarten through fifth grade. Students in third through fifth grade take the milestone assessment, and approximately 522 of the 1,043 students take the milestone test, third through fifth. We're not a transient school, and students attend our school typically from kindergarten through fifth grade. We have an average of 8 classes per grade level, 59 teachers in kindergarten through fifth grade, 5 target gifted teachers, 1 principal, 2 assistant principals, 2.5 counselors with many other support staff. We have a very supportive community with a strong PTA and foundation. We were recently recognized from the state of Georgia with a Literacy Leader Award for students showing exceptional achievement and growth. We were one of 10 Cobb schools to get awarded. The goal is to analyze the milestone data, compare trends, and identify weaknesses and strengths to be able to communicate the data to staff and parents. The objectives we want to learn from the data is to look for trends in the milestone test, identifying strengths and weaknesses, so we can use that to drive our instruction. The next objective is to compare trends across the 3 years, identifying external and internal trends that could affect the results. The last objective is to understand the data so we can successfully communicate it to parents. Questions that will drive our instructions are the ELA and math results for grade 3 through 5. We're looking at the results over the 3 years. We're looking for trends with students. We're looking for ways to improve our instruction, and we're looking to plan for increasing student achievement. Soap Creek demographics, we have for race and ethnicity, 55.7% are white. The next highest subgroup is 24.4%, which is Asian Pacific, and the other are balanced in between. You can see that in the last bar graph on the right side. Economic status, we have a very small percentage of economically disadvantaged. And students with disability, we have a 12.7% disability rate, which is comparison to the state and to the county across the board. Our first example of milestone results comparison is for the year 2019. In that year, our beginning learner levels decreased from third through fifth grade, which is a strength. Our distinguished learners increased each grade year, which was a strength, and our proficiency levels stayed about the same, so that's a weakness for us. We want to focus on the proficiency level subgroup to carry them up to a higher level. Our 2021 ELA results, the beginning learner level decreased from third through fourth grade, which was a strength. The distinguished learner decreased each grade year, which is a weakness. And the proficiency level stayed about the same in third and fourth, but increased in fifth grade, so is considered a strength. So our 2021 focus on the proficiency level subgroup goal was met by fifth grade. Distinguished levels need to increase. Looking at the 2022 ELA milestone results, we have the beginning learning level decreased from third through fifth grade, which is a strength. Again, seeing the same kind of pattern. The distinguished learner increased from third through fourth, but decreased in fifth, which is a weakness. The proficiency level increased each year in grades 3 through 5, which is a strength. 2022 focus on the proficiency level subgroup goal was met by all grade levels. Distinguished levels declined in fifth grade. This could be a goal. Overall goals are being met over the 3-year time span. So ELA comparison by grade on a pie chart lets you see that the golden color for third grade is at 45%. The fourth grade is at 35%, and fifth grade is at 38%. We're looking to increase that distinguished level, moving up all students into the next higher level. That is the goal. After analyzing the ELA milestones for the 3 years, the trends show that we have consistent data each year. Our school is high performing, so getting to the distinguished level is the overall challenge. Let's take a look at the last 3 years of milestone math data. Third, fourth, and fifth grade in the 2019 ELA math results, the beginning learning level increased from third through fifth grade, which is a weakness. The distinguished learner increased from third through fifth, which was a strength. The proficiency level decreased each year as distinguished increased in grades third and fourth, which was a strength. So the 2019 showed an increase in distinguished learners in third and fourth grade. The goal would be to move the developing learner to the proficient across grade levels. The 2021 ELA milestone math results The beginning learning level stayed about the same for 3rd through 5th grade, which is a strength. The distinguished learner increased from 3rd through 5th, which was a strength. The proficiency level decreased in 5th grade as distinguished increased in 5th grade. So we see it as a weakness and a strength because it moved on up to the next level. 2021 showed an increase in distinguished levels learners in 3rd through 5th grades. The goal will be to move the developing learner to proficient across the grade level. And the 2022 milestone math results for 3rd through 5th show the beginning learner levels stayed about the same through 3rd through 5th grade, which was a strength. The distinguished learner increased from 3rd through 5th, which was also a strength. The proficiency level stayed the same in 3rd and 4th grade, decreasing in 5th grade as distinguished increased in 5th grade, which was a strength. So the 2022 results showed an increase in distinguished learners in 3rd through 5th grades. The goal would be to move the proficient learner to distinguished learner across all grades, which is our overall school goal. After analyzing the math milestones for the 3 years, the trend shows that we have consistent data each year. Our school is high performing, so getting to the distinguished level is the overall challenge, as we have seen. How do we increase the current levels? Currently, we have in-school tutoring for the students. We have RTIs encouraged and supported from our staff and administration. We collaborate each week with the CCC data. We have strong grade level teams. Teachers take on PL training and are encouraged to advance their degrees. The areas to improve, and this is probably more of a county issue than a school issue, but our EIP classes need to be smaller as well as classes overall. The ELL and SPED classes need additional support, and our admin is finding it difficult to find skilled staff. Let's take a look at our Soap Creek and School Improvement Plan. You can see our #1 goal is literacy, and it matches along with the findings that we had, that we're trying to increase students that are proficient to the advanced level. And below it gives us the different programs that we're working on. Kindergarten through 2nd grade are doing UFly Foundations, which is phonics. 3rd grade uses a Words Their Way phonics program. 4th grade uses Morphine Magic, which again is another phonics program. And 5th grade is using a spelling program. So all of them are implementing new plans to increase their reading proficiency. The math goal is our #2 goal, and we are trying to do the same thing, moving students from the below basic to the advanced level. And we have many CCCs, PL levels, and small group instruction in the classroom. How does the data compare to our reading and math inventory that we use and collect 3 times per year? This is a beginning, middle, end assessment, and it's collected across kindergarten through 5th grades, so the data is not exactly comparable because of the grade level change, but you can see that the trends are pretty similar. So here's the RI proficiency report for this past year. You can see there's about 50% in the advanced level. And then across the grade levels, you can see the different performance standards. Students are meeting or exceeding what we're looking for. The school math proficiency report, 67% are in the advanced range. And this is really a better chart, the pie chart, because it shows you the actual amount of students. So when you're looking at below basic, you're looking at 63 students in a pool of 1,000. So that's a good amount. And this shows the end of the year, the growth in students for MI from kindergarten through 5th grade. So the math and reading inventory results are pretty comparable to the milestone data and are consistent with our growth and trends. In summary, the areas of weakness are increasing the 206 students approximately that are basic and proficient levels to the advanced level in reading and math. This goal will be achieved by aligning with the school improvement plan, focusing on strategies to meet students' needs and help them to continue to exceed. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We're looking for great growth and presenting this to our staff.